Yo, yo, yo. Welcome back to another episode, DIY, how to improve your life. In this episode, I'm going to show you how to roll a rollie. Because fucking shit's fucked. There's no cigarettes anywhere. Unless you want to pay a fucking gazillion dollars. So let's go. So first, you need a fucking any flat object so you can put your tobacco on it. Get your tobacco. Put some tobacco on the fucking flat surface. Get yourself a little rollie machine. Fucking shit, piece of shit. But what? You can even use your hands, but I'm just a lazy fuck. Get some fucking filters. Super slim. Filter looks like this. Use that shit. Pop it up in this bitch. Chuck your tobacco up in this bitch. You close this bitch up like such. You roll it. Take some fucking Rizla. Pop that up into this bitch. Lick it. Roll. Take it out. Cigarette rollie. Let's go, boy. Now, you must smoke this shit. If you do, you have to wear a mask. So go watch the video how to put on your mask. Quickly put on your mask. There we go. And then you smoke your rollie. Like, subscribe, guys.